How to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. First, let's swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and then tap on general management. Then in here, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on reset. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on factory data reset. Then tap on the reset button. Then tap on delete all. And that's it. The phone has now been reset back to the factory default settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now the phone is erasing and booting up. And that's it. Once it's finished, you can then go ahead and set up your device again if you like.